It is a good refreshing break. Coffee check. Cold water face splash check. I met some really nice people. They didn't want to be photographed or videoed because they were out 3 in the night playing PUBG in CCD. If you're watching the video, you know who you are. But this is a nice petrol bunk. This is something that I really like about Tamil Nadu, man. Even when I was traveling to Salem last time, throughout the clock they had this beautiful setups on the highway where you could stop for a coffee, spend some good time, really refresh yourself, and then move forward. I can actually smell the coast here, or it rained recently. I really can't tell. Oh, what are these coconut trees? Oh, nice tall coconut trees. Full essence of the seasides. Love the coastlines. And it says modern and integrated check post again. This is that weird time where twilight zone mein visibility is train. Thank God I'm recording. This is the second train, otherwise that I would have missed. Who's faster, dude? CBR 650 or I don't know what train that is, but let's just call it a train. Chale gayi left side. There's this part of the day, it's either sunrise, जिसको एकदम dawn बोल के बोलते हैं ना, twilight, that, and dusk, again twilight. That's the part of the day where I usually try and avoid riding because visibility is extremely compromised. Too many colors in the sky. Rasta barabar dikhta nahi. Some people have their headlights on, some people tend to turn it off, and then फिर वो थोड़े बाल्टी पकड़ लेके road cross करते हैं. It's a very chaotic time in my experience. Not one signboard. What? People don't come to Pondicherry or what? I used to think Pondicherry and Pondicherry are two different places until very recently. I'm very ashamed about that. Is this the road? I hope so. Can somebody answer my question? I don't think so. Let's just check if Google says I'm on the right track. And it looks like I'm on the right track. Where it is, if I recenter, it says 128 kilometers. So now it looks good. I'm gonna sign out. Yep, let's do that. This what Sandeep says. Told him, let's take the bypass road and head out. Oh, back on the highway. Good, avoided Chennai and the traffic and everything. And before sunlight, I am on the right direction to Pondicherry. So now, all I need to do is find a place to stop, freshen up. I'm going to time my break this time. I won't take more than 15 minutes because again 7:30 के आसपास रुकना ही पड़ेगा for breakfast. So I found this place just after the toll gate. Can you see the toll gate? Yeah, now you can see the toll gate. And this is the place that I found, Highway Nest Mini. Nice place. Just park the bike. Trying to get in touch with Sandeep. The line's not going through. This is the condition of the helmet. It's not much, but I cleaned it at CCD. Lens ke upar bhi hai makkhiyan. Anyway, I'm going to time my break here. 15 minutes I'll be out. Because again 7:30 I'll have to stop for breakfast and at least then kuch options rahenge. Let's see. Okay.
रामेश्वर में कन्याकुमारी में एक गाड़ी से ऊंचा लहर आता है.
अरे बाप रे.
पानी में न नहाइएगा कन्याकुमारी में. पहले आपको बोल दिया पानी लेकर क्रिक लीजिएगा. आपको मालूम नहीं है नहाइएगा. कहीं झील वोल में नहाना होगा तो ऐसे नहीं नहाइएगा. सही. नहाना होगा तब नहाइएगा. मतलब उधर रास्ता है आपको मालूम नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है सब. ओके शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत. मिलते हैं. minute ka break turned out to be 40 minutes. But sometimes you get to meet the nicest of the people on road. It's a beautiful sunrise, very cloudy though. I believe it's raining in Pondicherry and people are cycling here, man. Wow, you really need to be gutsy to be cycling on this road. पीछे से कोई आगे उड़ा के गया ना. And I saw the first signboard to Pondicherry. It says 150 kilometers. It's 6:30 on the clock. I have no idea when I'll reach there because I have no idea of the condition of the roads. I'm a little tired. I hope they accept us for an early check-in. Although I did mention in the remarks and I shot across email particularly asking them for an early check-in. Even if I reach by abhi 150 kilometers, mane say worst case scenario 3 hours. Even if I reach by 9:30, if I can manage to get a check-in, nothing like it, because then I can leave for work by 1. Let's see how it goes.
filled gas. There's quite a bit of line at the petrol bunk Sunday morning. I cleaned the camera lens, I cleaned the helmet. There's a lot of dust on these roads. Hi, kya kar raha? Kabaddi khel raha. So this is the entrance to Pondicherry. It's got a nice tomb. What happened is I stopped about 10 kilometers away and I noticed something really terrifying. I don't even have the energy to contemplate it right now. I'll have it looked into tomorrow. Today being a Sunday, nothing is going to be open. This is what happened to the tire. Like, it's cracked every groove. I don't know why. Can you see it clearly? See this one.
Any problem, sir?
No, sir, all okay. It's actually a beautiful little town. And it's quite busy for a Sunday morning. Well, you can see some remains of the French colonization. Not too much. Probably go for a ride in the evening and check it out. Is that the hotel? Or is... no, this is the income tax office. No, that's the way to the income tax office. Oh, looks like this is the hotel. Oh, looks really nice. And good parking, which is very important. Yo. Sandeep's reached. Right. Signing off. We'll see you inside the hotel. Ooh. Just reached the hotel and couldn't really get an early check-in. I'll have to wait until 11:30. Really tired. Do check out the reception area. This is Sandeep. Yeah. Dude, say hi.
So bright.
The breakfast area is really crowded. So we finally got a check-in at around 12. This is the rooms. Decent for the kind of price that we're paying. I'm paying about 2200 rupees a night for 2 people. It's okay. Showered, changed. Try and get some sleep now. We'll see. शाम में क्या होता है.